Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact in your Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove a contact in your Pipedrive? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you send out emails and you get a nasty reply from your customer. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them from your Pipedrive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove one of your contacts, here on the left menu, you're going to look for this little business card looking thing right here. Once you hover over, it's going to say contacts. Go ahead and click on that button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of your contacts in Pipedrive. So just scroll through until you see the person you would like to delete. So for example, this person right here, and you're just going to click on the little box next to their name. Now you can delete more than one at once. All you're going to do is go ahead and just choose as many of the contacts you want to delete. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to delete one. And once you've chosen them, go ahead and look towards the top. You're going to see this little trash can button. Click on there. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up asking if you're sure you'd like to delete this person from your Pipedrive account. They do let you know the information will be stored for 30 days. After that, it becomes permanent. So you can still change your mind after you delete up to 30 days later. So if you're okay with that, click on this red delete button. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that contact has been deleted from my Pipedrive. So they will no longer receive any kind of marketing from me. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact from your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.